Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix Wi-Fi issues on your iPhone 15 series, iPhone 14 series, iPhone 13 series and so on to iPhone XR. So guys, people are reporting Wi-Fi not working on their iPhones, and there are several fixes for that depending on what may be causing the problem, from VPN to simply missing some settings. Wi-Fi problems may raise in your iPhone. If you are stuck with this problem and need help understanding what is happening, you can follow each of the steps and make sure all settings are in order and apply the following troubleshooting tips. Our step number one is check internet connectivity. First, you have to make sure that your internet connectivity is strong and you are catching the full Wi-Fi signals. Then our step number two is toggle Wi-Fi connection. Chances are that you have Wi-Fi toggle off by mistake. Make sure you have Wi-Fi toggle on of your device to recognize Wi-Fi network. You can also toggle your on and off your Wi-Fi to resolve any weird big buggy issues. Simply scroll down and open your control center. Now tap on Wi-Fi icon and then simply again enable it. If it still doesn't work and you are still facing the same issue, then force restart your iPhone. For restarting your iPhone, simply you have to go to your settings and go back and go to your general, then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting your iPhone and you're still facing the same issue, then forget Wi-Fi and reconnect. You could also face issues with any particular network. Check if you can connect to other network. If there are no other networks, you can still use the trick to check if your network is the problem or not. Simply go to your Wi-Fi. Now tap on your Wi-Fi icon, tap on forget. First of all, copy your password and forget this network. Tap on forget. Now again reconnect it. After applying these issues and you're still facing the same issue, then turn on and off your Wi-Fi router. There is a high chance that the Wi-Fi router will be causing the issue, and it is not about the phone itself. Sometimes Wi-Fi routers can cause device to not to connect to the network. Even after a forced restart, an iPhone may still have Wi-Fi connectivity problem unrelated to the hardware. Then for simply you have to turn on and off your Wi-Fi router and check that your issue is solved or not. If it's not solved still, then you have to disable low power mode. Low power mode. For disabling it, simply you have to go to your settings and go to your battery. Then you can see your option low power mode. If it's enabled, then simply disable it. After applying these all issues and you're still facing the same issue again and again, then you can try last solution. Our last solution is reset network settings. It's possible that the software that maintains your iPhone cellular connection and Wi-Fi cellular connection is having problem that can be fixed by resetting your network settings to default. This method of troubleshooting is quick and simple. For doing this, simply you have to go to your settings and then tap on general. Scroll down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.